How long should you perform eye workouts each day? More than a blink, less than a stare. Alright folks, let's talk about eye workouts. Yeah, eye workouts. That thing you never knew you need until you spent 3 hours scrolling through TikTok and suddenly thought, wait, is this what permanent blur feels like? We all been there. When your eyes start throwing in the towel, but your thumbs are like, one more video. Your eyes aren't running a marathon. Relax. So how long should you do eye exercises each day? Well, spoiler alert, you don't need to turn your eyes workout in a CrossFit session. Your eyes aren't training for a marathon. They just want a little stretch, not a full body workout. We are talking about 1 minute per eye training session. Yes, just 1 minute, 3 times a day. Less time than it takes you to convince yourself to leave a comfortable couch. Imagine eye workouts like a coffee breaks. Your eyeballs think of these workouts like a coffee breaks for your eyes. You don't pound 7 espressos at once and call it a day. If you do, please see a doctor immediately. No, you sip, you enjoy. Same with eye exercises. Give them a few sessions a day. Spread out like a little eye tiny breaks. Look at something distant every minute when staring at a screen. Blink, stretch those eye muscles, then get back to whatever screen-based insanity you were in. The gold standard of eye workouts. Not too much at once. Here's the catch true. Don't overdo it. You don't want your eyes to go from mildly overwork to why everything is blurry. 1 minute is a sweet spot. Just enough to give those eyes some eye training, but not enough to make them tired. Screen zombies. No eye workout can fix it. And remember folks, eye exercises are here to complement your daily routine, not to replace it. If you are still pulling 10-hour screen marathons, no amount of eye workouts can save you from turning into a screen zombie. So after you 1 minute of eye cardio, maybe give your eyes some screen-free time. Your eyes will be happy about it. Final stretch. Eye workouts can renew your eyes' ability to focus. Eye exercises can gradually release you from accommodative spasm, the kind that make your eyes feel like someone put a tight belt around your eyeballs by gently stretching and flexing your eye muscles. These exercises help to increase eye muscle flexibility, kind of like a yoga for your eyeballs. Over time, this flexibility can lead to noticeable improvements in your eyesight. So regular eye workouts might just be your ticket to clearer, sharper vision without all that eye strain. They gradually will give you some much needed eye strain relief and keep your eyes in a shape, so you can scroll TikTok tomorrow without feeling like your eyes just ran a marathon. A minute here, a minute there, just enough to make your eyes feel like they've been to a spa rather than a high-intensity spin class. In conclusion, give your eyes a little daily love. So how long should you do performing eye workouts each day? Just enough to 1 minute per session, 1 to 3 repetitions per eye exercise, a couple times of a day. Not too long eye relaxation, you can do more, even half an hour. After all, your eyes deserve a little love. Check Eyesight Academy course with the best eye workout plan to see results.